in that windstorm yesterday, this tree cracked at the base and was just swaying, so we need to take it down.
Okay, so quickly here, we're gonna see if we can pull this tree down. Okay. Ease into it there, buddy. Yeah. Hey, keep going. A little more. Okay, pull a bit.
Here it comes. Keep going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep going.
Okay.
You're good. Good. Okay, just give it one more little tug. Well, that worked. Oh, there it is. Down.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, here goes nothing. I sure hope this works. What's that? Yeah, yeah. You you ripped it.
But we also could have saved both, so that's on me.
And it fell exactly where I wanted it to. Oh, we're still recording. Woo! That worked out well.
Goddamn force back in there.
There we go. Now I got lots of cleanup to do. And then once this is all cleaned up, then we're going to work on this one. Maybe next weekend. We'll see. That worked out rather well. Couldn't have worked out better. Okay. I'm going to cut some of those branches so I can move around. And then yeah. Jordan did pretty good.
Yeah, only broke one rope.
Only broke one rope. But it's good. We're there. It fell exactly how it should. Well away from the shop, or enough away from the shop, and I didn't want it to fall directly onto the fire pit again because it was probably damaged from the last one. But it right in the gap, so
Oh yeah.
it's perfect. Yeah, once that one comes down, then I got to rent a machine to dig this stump out, that stump out, and that old pine tree stump. That's got to come out too. And then I can properly landscape back here, and I'll plant a couple of new maples back here, I think. They're beautiful, and it doesn't take long for them to get up to a decent size.
Hopefully
I think
they just don't grow over the house again.
Yeah, no, I'll pick ones that are straight. I'll plant ones that are straight, and then I'll just keep them straight, and then they'll be nice and straight.
Oh yeah.
I won't get any that's split. We have maples popping up all over the yard all the time, so I just got to pick a couple and
Yeah.
nurture them, and then in 10 years we'll have, I don't know, probably a 20 or 12 foot, somewhere between 12 and 20 foot tree. Anyways, okay, cleanup time. Like, comment, subscribe, share, because I only got a few followers, you know. Tell your friends so I have more people following me.
If they're watching you, they don't have friends.
That's what an 18-year-old troublemaker looks like. Thank you.